Okay, good evening, dear kids. We'll be taking our exercise 5D, but before starting exercise 5D, we will be doing cube identity. Now, do we know that a plus b, the whole cube, is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b? And if I change this as a minus b the whole cube, then we have a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. We know that. Okay. Now if I keep, I'll take this. If I keep this as a subject, a cube plus b cube is equal to, तो ये पूरा यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन में जाएगा. So it will be a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab, a plus b. ठीक है. And we have done that. If we have something like this, if we take in a plus b common here, so inside here will be a plus b the whole square और यहाँ पे minus 3ab. Now if I want to open this, can I take it a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab? अब आप इसको अंदर वाले ब्रैकेट को जब सॉल्व करोगे 2ab माइनस 3ab, इट विल बी a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस ab. So in a way you got an identity for a cube plus b cube as a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay. So similarly you have an identity, if you want to note it down. Similarly you have an identity for a cube minus b cube. In that case you have a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so these are your identities which we'll be using in our exercise 5D. Sorry. So exercise 5D, let's start. Number 1 we have a cube minus 27. My dear kids, a cube वैसे ही रखेंगे. 27, can I make it 3 cube? So it will be a minus 3, and you know what is the identity for a cube minus b cube that you have to apply here. That is a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab. Yes. So what is a? a minus 3 तो आपने लिख लिया. a तो a ही है. b क्या है? b आपका 3 है, तो 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी. a ही है और b आपका 3 है. सो इन अ वे आपका आंसर विल बी a minus 3 bracket a square plus 9 plus 3a. In your schools they will give you identity like this. So don't get into that के मैम ने a b यहाँ पे लिखा था. No problem, you can write it in center. So you can use a cube minus b cube as a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Even that can work. Only thing is मैंने a b कॉर्नर में रखा है, आप सेंटर में रखो. Clear? Next we have problem number 2. 1 minus 8a cube. 1 cube and 8 will be 2a the whole cube. Apply the identity. This is your a, this is your b. तो a cube minus b cube की identity a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. You have to apply this and put it into this. Clear? Problem number 3rd, 64 minus a cube b cube. 64 you can write it 4 का cube, and a cube b cube you can write it ab the whole cube. This is your a is your 4 and b is your ab. And what is the identity? A cube minus b cube. It is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Yes, this is the identity. So you can put it, what is a? 4. 4 cube here. 4 minus b is what? ab. A square means 4 square. ab means this into this, 4ab plus b square. B square means a square b square. So your answer will be 4 minus ab 16 plus 4ab plus a square b square for this. Clear? The only thing is you should know the identity very well. a6 minus 20 plus 27b cube. a6 can I write it a square का cube plus 27 can I write it 3b का cube. So your a is a square and b is 3b. Now it is a cube plus b cube identity. So you will go for a plus b and in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Yes? Okay. AB, what is AB? A and B. A is a square and B is 3b. So I'll put it here. A square. So a square, तो वो a तो खुद स्क्वायर है, a तो a स्क्वायर है, उसका भी स्क्वायर करना है तो ये बन जाएगा a4. AB, a इंटू बी 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस b स्क्वायर मतलब 3b का स्क्वायर, दैट विल बी 9b स्क्वायर. Clear? So that's your answer. Number 5, it is 3x7y minus 81x4y4. My dear kids, if you can see here, I can take in common 3xy and inside bracket I can keep it x6 minus 27x cube y cube. You have to be very careful when you are taking the least common factor outside so that the inside variables are correct. You got this and this. 3xy you keep it as it is. For x6 you have to write x square ka cube and for 27 you can write 3xy का whole cube. जब आप 3xy whole cube खोलोगे तो you will get 27 x cube y cube. Clear? So we have 3xy which you will keep it as it is and this cube. So your a is x square and your b is 3xy and you have to apply a cube minus b cube identity. That is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So a is x square minus 3xy, b is 3xy. a square, a का स्क्वायर, a खुद x स्क्वायर है और उसका भी स्क्वायर तो x4 हो जाएगा. ए बी मतलब 3xy इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर तो ये हो जाएगा 3x क्यूब वाई प्लस बी स्क्वायर दैट इज 3xy का स्क्वायर दैट विल बी 9x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर. क्लियर? Okay, so this you got of this and outside you have 3xy which you will keep it 3xy also here. So your final answer will be this. Further also this kind of problems can be solved further like you have 3xy and here x square minus 3xy. So from this also you can take x common outside and from here x4 plus 3xy plus 3x cube y plus 9x square y square. From here also if you notice x square आप कॉमन निकाल सकते हो. सो इन अ वे ये 3xy तो रहेगा ही, इसमें से एक x निकाला कॉमन ये वाले में से और वेट ये वाले में से आपने एक x निकाला एंड ये वाले में से आपने x स्क्वायर निकाला कॉमन. तो यहाँ से एक x और यहाँ से x स्क्वायर तो टोटल आपने 3x बाहर निकाले और ये एक चौथा तो आंसर विल बी 3x 4y और इनसाइड आपका क्या बचता है. See you got that means you are taking 3x common from here. You are taking 1x from here in this equation and x square from here and you are putting here. So it will be 3x 4y and here will be x minus 3y because x you have taken common और इसमें से स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर कॉमन है तो अंदर बचेगा x स्क्वायर प्लस 3xy प्लस 9y स्क्वायर. So that can be kept as a final answer. Got my point clear? Next you have problem number 6, which says a cube wait, I'll just change the this thing. Okay. A cube minus 27 upon a cube. Now this, can I write it as a the whole cube minus 3 upon a the whole cube? So here your a is a, but your b is 3 upon a. And your identity a cube minus b cube is a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Correct? So we have to just put in the values. a cube minus b cube की identity है a minus b. a is a, b is 3 upon a square मतलब इसका square a square. a into b मतलब 3 upon a into a. So a कट 3 and b square मतलब ये b का square, तो ये हो जाएगा 9 upon a square. So that's your final answer for this. Clear? From number 7th we have a cube plus 0.064. I want to reduce the point because it's very fat. This is not there. Okay. We have a cube plus 0.064 for a. Oh my god, ये तो और फैट हो गया. For a, can I write it a the whole cube plus 0.064. If you notice 0.4 का ये क्यूब है, 0.4 का cube. Now this is your a, this is your b. So a is what? A, and b is what? 0.4. And which identity you have to apply? A cube plus b cube. What is the identity? A plus b in one bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. a plus b मतलब a plus 0.4 and a square मतलब a का square minus ab 0.4 into a plus b square 0.4 का square, sorry 0.4 का square, that is 0.16, and that's your answer. Problem number 8, a4 minus 343a. So take a common and inside will be a cube 343. And if you know that a को तो हम a का cube लिख सकते हैं, 343 we can write 7 cube. So you got a तो a ही है, b आपका 7 है, and your identity for a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and that will go for a तो a ही है, b 7 है, a का square plus 7 into a 7a and b का square, that is 49, and that's your final answer. Problem number 9, which says x minus y the whole cube minus 8x cube. So x minus y the whole cube you have to keep it as it is. 8x cube को हम 2x the whole cube करेंगे. Now if I want I can put let x minus y be a. So it will be a cube minus 2x cube, and the identity wise this will be your a and b is 2x. Identity आपको पता है अभी, first term minus second term, so a minus 2x, and in your next bracket will be first term square, तो a square plus first term into second term, that is 2ax, plus second term square, that is 4x square. Got my point clear? But इसमें हम लोग का आंसर फिनिश है क्या? नहीं. वाई नहीं, बिकॉज ए की सब्सटीट्यूट हमने क्या कहा था, x माइनस वाई इज ए, सो यू हैव टू री सब्सटीट्यूट योर वैल्यू, सो दैट इज x माइनस वाई माइनस 2x. wherever there is a, I am putting x minus y again. Got my point clear? X minus 2x will be minus x minus y. Here you have to open this, so it will be x square minus 2xy plus y square, and you have to open this also, so that will be minus 2x square and xy 2xy, so minus 2xy, and then here will be 4x square. Got my point clear? Further 2xy को साथ में रखो, so it will be minus 4xy plus y square, this one and this x square, 2x square and 4x square, it will be 7x square, and minus x minus y को साथ में रखो. Clear? So that will be your answer. Next, problem 10th, which says 8a cube upon 27 minus b cube upon 8. 8a cube मतलब 2a the whole cube, 27 मतलब 3, तो ये आपका बन जाएगा 2a upon 3 the whole cube. b upon 8 बन जाएगा b upon 2 the whole cube. आपके पास a की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 2a upon 3, b की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, b upon 2. बीच में माइनस है और क्यूब है, तो आइडेंटिटी हम कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे, फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस सेकेंड टर्म इन योर ब्रैकेट, फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर मतलब 4a स्क्वायर अपॉन 9 प्लस फर्स्ट टर्म इंटू सेकेंड टर्म मतलब 2ab अपॉन 3 2 ज़ा 6 प्लस सेकेंड टर्म स्क्वायर दैट इज b स्क्वायर अपॉन 4. दैट्स योर फाइनल आंसर. Next we have 11th, which is a6 minus b6. We want cube, so we will write a square का cube minus b square का cube, and we'll apply the identity. In this case your a is a square and your b is b square. You have to apply the identity of cube. Problem number 12th is a6 minus 7a cube minus 8. As I said you have nothing means 1 as a coefficient. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 के ऐसे factors जिनके subtraction से 7 आए. Can we go for 8 and 1? Yes. So it will be a6 minus 8a cube plus 1a cube minus 8. Take the groupings together. So you can take, yes, can we take here a cube common? So inside will be a cube minus 8. Here also nothing common, so inside will be a cube minus 8. So you got two brackets, a cube minus 8 as one bracket and your other bracket a cube plus 1. My dear kids, a cube plus 1 yes, both the brackets you can open. a cube minus 8 तो इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं a cube minus 2 cube और a cube plus 1 cube. So you have to apply identity here also, here also. Which identity? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. And here plus की identity, that is a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. The main, we have done all the 13, 14, whichever, how many problems we have done, let's see. 12 problems. Whatever 12 problems we have done, those were based on these basic identities. Hope you have understood these identities. Okay. So we have many more problems, but I guess I should stop it here, and rest of the problems till 17. Let me check how many more problems are there for the exercise. Okay, next rest of the problems will be in my next video. Okay, God bless.